Hey, Riley from LoomCube here to introduce you to the latest addition in our drone lighting line, the strobe, an anti-collision light for drones. As drones become more regulated, anti-collision lighting is now more important than ever for both line of sight and safety reasons. The strobe meets all federal drone regulations, including 360-degree visibility, can be seen from over 3 statute miles away, and it has 3 different settings including high strobe, low strobe, and a continuous light output. Rechargeable via micro USB, the strobe can last over 2 hours on the highest strobe setting. Our anti-collision light includes 2 color caps in every box, so you have the ability to strobe in white, red, or green color, and we use 3M dual lock technology to mount to every single drone in the market. Our anti-collision light is available in both a single and a 3-pack at loomcube.com.
Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing biotechnology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.
Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.